Hi everybody, I'm Tom Elliott with John Deere, and today we'll show you how to get a full scoop of material in your bucket every time. Knowing some of the tricks of the trade can make any job just a little bit easier. Getting a good full load in your loader bucket is one of them. So here's tip number one. Put your tractor in low gear and don't be shy about driving your bucket into the material pile. You bought your equipment to do just this kind of work. Tip number two. Keep your bucket flat as you drive well into the pile. Then, using the joystick, begin tilting your bucket back and lifting it while it's still in the pile. By moving forward, tilting and lifting all at the same time, you'll really fill it with material and keep that full load from falling out. It's not about horsepower, it's about hydraulics. Drive, tilt, lift, then back away. Once you get the hang of it, you'll have a full bucket load every time. Frontier has nearly 600 implements that are available only from your John Deere dealer. The place to go for advice and equipment. So remember, for implements that help turn your tractor into the workhorse it was built to be, think Frontier and your John Deere dealer.